Nature, thou art beautiful. Tiny waterfalls tumbling down elegant slopes of smoothly eroded treacherous rocks. Trees magnificently and beautifully displayed, their branches sheltering little springs that comes from beneath. Soft clouds beckon from above, like wool blankets hovering over trees, mountains, hills, cliffs, caves and plants and plains. Moisturing hilltops, freshly fallen leaves, trees, grass, valleys and meadows with their heavenly dew. Wind hearkens its ears to the voice of the one who speaks the language of the wind. The winds obey, and the swaying breeze gently rock nature sweetly to slumber. The stars shine, the moon is bright, and it's a starry night. Oh, slumber, thou art indeed sweet. Oh, nature's lullaby have rocked nature to sleep. Zzz, zzz. The night is spent. Hello, greets the sun. I'm here to start all over again.